E-commerce versus real estate. Which investment makes you more in 2025? All right, let's talk about investments. Everyone's looking for the best way to build wealth in 2025, whether it's e-commerce or real estate. And now we've got skin in both games. We've invested in real estate, we've built e-commerce businesses, and we've seen firsthand what works and what doesn't. So today we're breaking it down, which investment gives the best ROI in 2025. Now let's start with real estate. It's a classic. It builds long-term wealth. Property values tend to appreciate over time, and with an average annual appreciation rate of 3.8% in the US since 1991, you get passive income, rent checks are hitting your account every month, and with rental property owners are seeing an average ROI of 8 to 12%. Now you can leverage, you can put down 20% but control 100% of the asset. There's tax benefits, depreciation, and mortgage interest deductions. The whole works. Sounds good, right? It is. Well, real estate is solid, but it comes with a few problems. Now here's where things get tricky. High upfront cost. Even with financing, you need tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started. The median home price in the US is now over $400,000. With market cycles, prices can drop. Remember in 2008, home values plunged nearly 30% nationwide. Liquidity, like selling a property, can take months. You need cash fast? Too bad. Management headaches, tenants, maintenance, property taxes, it's all work unless you pay someone to do it. And natural disasters, there's hurricanes, floods, earthquakes. Real estate isn't just an asset, it's a physical structure that can be wiped out overnight. In 2023 alone, a natural disaster caused $165 billion in damage in the US alone, and that's why e-commerce is crushing it right now. Now, e-commerce is a different beast, and here's why it's the best investment in 2025. There's low barrier to entry. You don't need $100K up front. You can start with a few thousand. Scalability. One property gives you one income stream. One e-commerce store, unlimited customers. Speed. You can launch in weeks and start seeing profits within months. The global e-commerce market is expected to hit $7.4 trillion by 2025. Automation. With the right system, your store runs while you sleep. No tenants, no maintenance calls. And liquidity, if you want out, you can sell your store in 6 to 12 months for a 6 to 7 figure exit. The average valuation for profitable e-commerce businesses is 3 to 6x annual earnings. Let's be real. 2025 is an e-commerce era. People are shopping online more than ever. AI is making automation easier, and big brands are buying up digital assets at crazy valuations. And global e-commerce sales have grown 56% since 2020, and the trend is not slowing down. So let's sum it up. Real estate's great for long-term investments, but expensive, slow, high maintenance, and vulnerable to disaster. E-commerce is characterized by lower costs, higher scalability, faster profits, and way more liquid. So if you're thinking about where you put your money in 2025, e-commerce is the move. It's the investment vehicle that gives you speed, cash flow, and big exits, all without the headache of traditional real estate. And if you want to see exactly how to get started, I break it all down in the next video. Check it out. So if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your pick, real estate or e-commerce? Let's talk.